Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how and where to sell your AI art. Top 5 platforms. So, are you curious about selling AI art? Wondering where to start? After extensive research, I am here to guide you on entering the AI art market as a freelancer. But before we dive into that, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all things related to design and artificial intelligence. Your support means the world to us, especially as this is our first video on this topic. Now, let us get started. The AI art landscape has exploded online, impacting stock sites, NFT resources, and freelance platforms. Some embrace AI-generated content, while others, like Getty Images and Shutterstock, ban its due to copyright words. This sparks debate on tech, creativity, and copyright law. I am genuinely interested in hearing your thoughts on this issue, so please share your opinions in the comments section. Now, let's delve into the 5 essential criteria you should consider when choosing a platform to sell your AI art. Trends of the platform. Understanding the platform's focus and what type of content is popular. Is it a hub for digital art, illustrations, or photography? Moderation of images. Ensure the platform's moderation process aligns with your needs. A platform with overly strict moderation might delay your uploads and hinder your progress. Assess the platform's community and how it can support your journey. Are there active forums, groups, or spaces for networking? Payment system. Look into the payment system used on the site to make sure it works for you. Do they offer multiple payment options, including PayPal or direct bank transfers? Content compatibility. Ensure your art fits the platform themes and categories. Does your work align with the platform's audience and guidelines? Now, let's dive into the top 5 platforms where you can sell your AI art. Number 1. Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is a giant in the industry, offering a massive audience for both buyers and sellers. It has a strong community, excellent search algorithms, an easy upload process, and a clear interface. However, there is a downside. The moderation process can be slow, especially for newcomers. Some images may stay in review for an extended period. Number 2. Redbubble. Redbubble is a diverse marketplace that allows you to apply your designs to hundreds of existing products. It boasts a large audience, a supportive community, a user-friendly interface, and easy PayPal payments. On the flip side, success on Redbubble requires consistent engagement. Unlike Adobe Stock, Redbubble doesn't have built-in algorithms for exposure, so you will need to actively promote your work. Number 3. ArtStation. ArtStation is a feature-rich platform tailored to game developers and digital artists. It offers a robust statistics system, a job marketplace, and an opportunity to create a portfolio. It also provides a unique service called Prints, where they handle printing and delivery. The competition on ArtStation is high, making it challenging for newcomers. Additionally, the payment process can be complex, involving tax documents in some cases. Number 4. Etsy. Etsy is similar to Redbubble but focuses on printed products and digital goods like textures and brushes. It has a strong community, built-in advertising tools, and a user-friendly interface. The major drawback of Etsy is its payment system. It has its own payment system, and if your country is not supported, you won't be able to sell on the platform. Number 5. Social media. Don't overlook the power of social media. Platforms like Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and more can be used to showcase your AI art. They work well with hashtags and can drive significant traffic to your profiles on other platforms. Success on social media relies heavily on your marketing efforts and building a following. And that's it. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on AI art and design. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.